Guys, this is Donovan with Simple Productions. Got another video for you guys. Sorry it's been kind of a while since I made my last video. I was trying to get them all consistent, getting upload every day or at least every couple of days, but just been kind of busy doing things around the house and really haven't had much content to really give you guys. It's been kind of boring. So today I'm going to show you guys, how I was saying before in my past videos, is I have a iPad mini installed into my dash, and a few people asked me about that, and I figured go ahead and show you guys before I bring it to the shop, because I'm actually getting some of the dash pieces and some of the trim on the doors wrapped, and I'm not going to do nothing crazy, I don't think. I'm going to just probably do gloss black, pretty much on all the wood grain accents, so nothing too serious, but I think it'll give the look of the truck a lot better and kind of blend things in, because I want to change the carpet out here. I want to take the carpet out of the truck. The black matting that comes with the XL's work trucks, I want to put that in here, because I don't like this tan carpet. I don't know why they put tan carpet in this of a truck. So, alright, so here's the iPad mini. I got, of course, a picture of my truck in the background. The guy that took that picture will be in the link down below to his Instagram. He has a few more pictures of my truck, and he has some other awesome pictures of the truck, of other people's trucks. So definitely check him out if you guys need a photographer of your truck or some kind of event going on. But so pretty much it's just iPad mini, nothing special. This is only a Wi-Fi connection. I am going to change that out. I'm going to get a iPad that does Wi-Fi and cellular. And how I get my Wi-Fi, I got one of those T-Mobile hotspots behind there. Don't mind that black underneath there, because that's where I try to spray paint it, and that didn't work. So, and that brings up the next subject in a minute. But so yeah, but main app that I use is Tuner. It's pretty cool. It has kind of like a moving background to it, and has all your media all in one place. So it has your Pandora, Spotify, iHeart, SoundCloud, and then your regular radio as well. So it's pretty cool. I like this app a lot. It looks simple and it's easy to use as well. But another thing, I was talking about, I have a Wi-Fi backup camera, and I have that hooked up to my lights. So all I gotta do is turn my lights on, got my Wi-Fi, and this will be a lot easier once I get my cellular iPad in. That way I can not have to disconnect from my Wi-Fi just to get to the backup camera. So once I get that iPad in, shut this door so this digging will stop. But once I get that iPad in, I won't have to worry, and then it'll connect right away. So click that. That's the Wi-Fi for the backup camera. And then where's my backup camera app? There it is. So now you can see my backup camera. I mean, it's not the world's best quality. It's just because it's really blown up on the iPad, so it kind of takes away the quality. But you can see the hits, so you can kind of figure out when you're backing up, loading up on a trailer or whatnot. And it has the lines, and my truck has sensors on it too, so it all works out. But it works cool. Turn it on whenever you want. But I usually always have the T-Mobile hooked up, so it'll be a lot easier once I get the cellular iPad mini. And I also have my Easy Link, but I'm not connected to it right now, where you can monitor your gauges and your temperatures and all that. So, but really, it's nothing too special. It's just an iPad mini, and then just put it behind the dash. And what I did was, I mean, it's kind of rigged up not the best way, because I was kind of in a rush, but I'm gonna take it apart once I get the new iPad and do it right. But the original radio is actually still behind the iPad, but all I did is take the faceplate off the original radio, and it gives it enough room for the iPad to be behind there. So it's really, that's it. And then a little bit of modifying over here for the charger. I got a 90-degree charger, and also I do have it hooked up to the aux cord for better quality sound. So, but back to the subject when I was talking about down here, where it has a lot of that black crap all over it. That's actually paint that just didn't peel off. back to that subject, I'm actually going to be heading over to one of my buddies that does the wraps. His link will be down below for his social media on Instagram. It's him and his brother, and they do great work. I mean, I'm sure you guys seen his name on my YouTube before. He's supposed to do a full wrap on my truck, but I got to a point I was going to sell the truck and told him let's just cancel on that. But that might be coming up soon for a full wrap on the truck right before the Daytona meet that's coming up this year. So be sure to go follow Truck Fever on Instagram, because he's about to release the location, and the location is going to be pretty damn sweet, because it's going to be a big spot, and it's going to have a burnout contest there, and everything's going to be really organized, and all in one spot, not all separated. So it's going to be cool. Enough parking for trucks, that's for sure. So, going back to that subject here, I am going to get the truck wrapped, and then but today I'm dropping the truck off, or actually I'm taking these pieces off, and then taking him to the dash and all. I'm going to get the, all this plastic here, the center dash, all gloss black. I was thinking about making this to match that tan, but I'm not really sure, because I kind of want the iPad to kind of blend in, so I think it'd be too much. And I also think it would be weird if I did this part black and then this part tan, and I think it would blend. I think it would be too much tan going on. So I think I'm just gonna do all this tan, or all this gloss black, everything. And then maybe these chrome vent covers, maybe I'll make those to match that tan, just kind of blend everything in. And don't mind all this mess, I haven't cleaned it up yet. And all down there, yeah, it's a messy truck, so you don't stay clean. But all this silver, gloss black, the chrome would be the same tan as well. Same with the doors. The doors will be gloss black, and then the sides here as well, and including the chrome covers, that'd be tan. This be all gloss black. Same with the doors, of course. And then I might add a few pieces here and there for the back, but I don't know. I think I was thinking about maybe doing the side here of the seat, but I'm not sure yet. But I think maybe doing this side right here to put some tan in the seat as well, but I'm not really 100% sure. But definitely doing the dash pieces, and definitely doing that gloss black, and same here. But alright, heading over to the wrap shop. Can't forget the door. Alright, stay tuned, it should be fun, and I'll try to give you guys the best contact I possibly can on these vlogs. So later, guys.